Hey Russell fam, in today's video we are going to do a science experiment called boo bags. We'll be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky and welcome to Russell's Loving Life. I am a homeschooling mom of two and I have been homeschooling since 2012. We also have a blog which is russellslovinglife.com. Make sure to check that out for homeschooling tips and tricks that I have learned over the years. If you are a returning Russell fam, we are so glad you are back. If you are new, please consider subscribing and clicking that little bell notification down in the bottom. In today's video, we are going to do boo bomb bags. I got this idea from Alicia over at Everyday I'm Mothering. So let's get this party started. Okay, to make these bubbling boo bombs, you are going to need Ziplocs, vinegar, cornstarch, Sharpies, food coloring, toilet paper, and baking soda. Here you're going to see the kids. They are decorating their Ziploc bags. Here you will see we are adding vinegar to each of the bags. So we each did one bag, and I didn't have white vinegar, so we used apple cider vinegar. So I'm not sure if that makes a big difference, but white vinegar is recommended. So now we are going to put in 3 teaspoons of cornstarch into each bag. And then we added a few drops of food coloring to those bags. As you can see here, the camera angle is kind of bad. Now we're shaking up and mixing it. And now Becca's fixing to add the cornstarch to Bailey's bag. And we add some food coloring to it. And then we are just going to shake it up. And now Becca's adding it to mine. I know it is hard to see. I'm sorry. I thought I had the camera angle so you could see everything, but it was really sunny outside, so it was hard to see. So now we're going to add a little bit of food coloring to mine, and we're just going to shake them up just to make sure that the cornstarch and the food coloring and the vinegar is all mixed well. You see Becca's is blue, mine's more of an orange, Bailey's is more of a reddish color. Here you will see I am taking a square of toilet paper. I am sprinkling some baking soda on it. I put a little bit too much on this one, but we just want to fold it down and turn it upside down. And then we're going to repeat the process for the 2 other bags. So I put too much there, so I kind of moved it over a little bit. It's easier to fold when you don't put too much in there. And this is messy, so you definitely want to do this outside. So now you see me, I'm going to take a piece of the toilet paper that had the baking soda in it that I put too much in it. I'm going to put it in the Ziploc, and I'm going to make sure it closes all the way. We're going to zip it. It is good. And then we are going to lay it down flat. And let's see what happens. This was the kids' favorite part. Oh, it busted out and made a mess everywhere. Here we're going to repeat the process with Bailey's, and his got just big enough, and we figured out there was a hole in the bag, so it would not let it pop. So if you look at the top, you can see there is a little bit of a hole. So his did not pop, which was a bummer. He was kind of bummed out about that one. So here we go with Becca's. We are putting in the toilet paper. And sealing it up good, making sure not to drop the toilet paper baking soda down into the mixture quite yet. Making sure it is good and closed. And she drew butterflies on hers. And I'm not sure if I had enough vinegar in hers. It got big, but it didn't really pop like mine did. It just took it a minute. So you see hers doesn't have quite as much vinegar. So it pops a little bit, but it doesn't do the big pop explosion. Thanks to Alicia for showing us this video. They seem to work okay. I might not have had enough vinegar in one of them. One of them we found out had a little hole in it, so it didn't work, but the kids had fun. They designed the front of them, they put food coloring in them, and they enjoyed watching them go boom. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Drop us a comment of some fun science experiments you like to do. As always, remember to be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.